Hey you guys, Amber J here from BestBetTradess, just coming on to give you guys an update on how we made out today. And boy, did the Discord make some serious bank today. We got call and put triggers prior to market open on Tesla and for Meta, and the calls were triggered on Tesla at 190.07. The first price target hit of 191.46, which is the pre-gap fill level. The second price target hit of 192.37. And then for Meta, the calls were triggered at 172.42. The first price target hit of 173.09, which was previous day low. The second price target hit of 173.62, which is the gap fill level. And the third price target hit of 174.65. And I'll show you how you could have played those in the Discord here. So let's go to Tesla. So Tesla opened with the buy signal this morning. It was pretty volatile in the morning, but it did keep bouncing off the buy line. And once it got up and the candles made it their way above the 9 and the 21, and the 9 and the 21 crossed to the upside, and it held support at this level. The calls were triggered with Gundy's alert, and it hit the third price target, or sorry, the second price target here at 192.37. So that was the second price target that hit, and then it started rejecting right at this resistance level. So Gundy has support and resistance levels that are marked as a dashed line. So those are good targets to get in and get out at, as well as with his call and put triggers. So that was a really awesome play. The TTM squeeze indicator was pushing to the upside. The MACD RSI was pushing to the upside, and the stochastic RSI was pushing to the upside as well. It didn't fill that gap that a lot of people were hoping it would fill, but it did partially fill it. So we did have a big gap down in pre-market, and then it kind of like double bottomed in pre-market, as you can see here. And once the market opened, and then it just shot up from there. So that would have been a really awesome play to get into. With Meta, let me just pull Meta up here. So this was pre-market. We did get the buy in pre-market and the cross up of the EMAs. Once the market opened, Gundy's call trigger hit, and as you can see, the TTM squeeze indicator in pre-market went from red to yellow, and then to teal blue it started coming on. And then same with the MACD RSI and the stochastic RSI. But as soon as the market opened, Gundy's call trigger hit, and you could have got in and out. This was the the second price target here, and then it hit the 200 EMA, not quite reaching the final price target. But later in the afternoon, we did get the sell signal, we got the buy signal, the cross up of all of those EMAs together. You could have gotten in and scalped it, but it went all the way up to the final price target here this afternoon. So that's how you could have played Meta. And everybody in the Discord, not everybody in the Discord, but a lot of us are playing ES with our Apex account. And I know quite a few people got into this move. Once we bounced off the 200, so all of the EMAs were tight together, and it was just kind of bouncing and chopping in between the EMAs until it found direction. And on previous day low, it was holding solid support for a lot of the afternoon. It couldn't break through that solid support. It had the buy line, it had the 50 EMA, the 200 EMA, previous day low, and as well as a support line as well. So that was a really good indication that this was holding firm. Like you can see, it tried to curl down and it just couldn't get through that area. And then we started moving up. We started getting support above the 9 and the 21. And then from there, it just ripped up. So I know a lot of people caught some of the move on the way up, and it just kept going up and up this all the way to into power hour. So we're trading our Apex accounts, they're funded trader accounts, and we love playing the futures here in the Discord. So if this is something that you're interested in, please by all means click on the link below, and you can join us and be trading with us as early as tomorrow morning. The link will route you to the website, and you can check us out from there. And if it's something that you're interested in, you can join the Discord through that way. I hope you guys have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys all tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.